Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make steamed pork buns. It's easier than you may think. First you put the water in the bowl and then roughly 3/4 of the flour. And then mix. Roughly mixed, and you cover it and rest it for 30 minutes or so. After 30 minutes or so, you add sugar and yeast and mix a little bit. Roughly incorporated, you add oil and salt and the leftover flour and mix. Everything's roughly mixed in, so I'll put it on the bench and knead a bit. This is not a bread dough, so it's not going to be very elastic, but just aim to have a nice smooth dough. So this motion will relax the dough a little bit. So the dough is nice and round, quite smooth now. So you put this back into the bowl and cover it and rest it for 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the room temperature. While we wait for the dough to raise, I'm going to make the inside of the pork buns. So I've got pork mince, and then you add diced water chestnut, and diced onion, and minced garlic, ginger, also minced or diced, sesame oil, and this is oyster sauce. But if you don't have oyster sauce, you can replace it with a pinch of sugar and soy sauce and potato starch or cornstarch and salt and pepper. Now I'm going to mix it. Now this is done, you can put this in the fridge until the dough is ready. After 1 hour, you cut this into 6 pieces and you can roll it to small balls. So just pinch a little bit and make a ball like this. And rest it. You can cover and rest it for 15 minutes or so. After 15 minutes or so, the dough is nice and rested and easy to deal with. So I'm going to make a disc, but just leave the center bit thicker and spread like this so that it's not a even thickness. The center should be thicker. Like that. And you've got the pork mince mixture. Just divide into 6 parts and just place it in the center, the 1/6 of the mince mixture, and just pull like this and then fold like this to make a nice pretty pattern. And then at the end just put them together like that. And you can cut this baking sheet and place it on top and then rest it for 15 minutes to 20 minutes just to rest again, and then you can steam. Now you're ready to steam. I've got boiling water and very carefully place the pork buns in the steamer. And put the lid on. And medium to high heat in at least 15 minutes so that inside is fully cooked. With the pork buns, you can have just soy sauce or mustard, but I can recommend some sriracha mayo. So some Kewpie mayonnaise or any other Japanese mayonnaise and a tiny bit of sriracha, and mix well. This goes really well with the pork buns. After 15 minutes, it's all cooked. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.